Okay, show me.
I had this bad dream where people were flashing their lights at me.
I mean, the audacity of drivers to flash me.
A few moments later.
Maybe they do have a point. If they're flashing me, it might be because I visited the local flea market and I picked up those diamond 8000K LED. Yeah, and I put them in my halogen housings. That might be the problem. So you see, you cannot have an LED bulb in a halogen housing and expect the best results. It's not gonna do what you really want it to do, which is project the light, see better, see clear. It's gonna throw a bunch of light out. The refractor is not gonna do what it's supposed to. It's just gonna be terrible. It's gonna blind oncoming traffic, and your vision actually will be worse than with the original halogen. So if you want to go LED, I'll name two companies right off the bat. I am not endorsed by them, but they are top notch, and that's Morimoto and Alpha Rex. You truck guys, check them out. I'm telling you, you won't find a better light on the market. But you're gonna say, yeah, but they're so expensive. You get what you pay for. If you have installed a level kit, a lift kit, changed tires, went with a larger profile tire. I mean, there's many things that can change the line of sight and get up into people's eyes. Now, my headlights on my Raptor are completely stock, but once the lift was installed, I had to lower the beams about 4 inches. All right, so what we're gonna do is pop the hood, and the only tool you're gonna need for the job is a Phillips screwdriver. Doesn't need to be quite this long, but it's the only one I got in the toolbox, so anything 4 inches to 10 inches long ought to be good enough. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the driver's side, and I'm going to show you exactly where this adjustment is. So if you follow in with the camera, sorry the sunlight is on everything right now. I am looking directly at the adjustment. You see this right here. I mean, there's really this plate, that's not a plate, that's the actual headlight housing is right here. So there's no confusing this. It's right there. All right, if I can get right down on top of it, you can see the gears in there. It looks like a little cross. Well, take our screwdriver. It should fit perfectly. I felt it click in just like that. So you get to this point and it's like, okay, which direction do I go? All right, I'm gonna tell you. If you wanna lower this beam of light, you're going counterclockwise. Got me? If you want to raise it, we're going clockwise. Okay, so I'm showing you firsthand in the daylight what you need to do, but it's always best to make your adjustments at nighttime up against a white fence, if you've got that, or something like a garage door that is level. Okay, so now I've shown you where the adjustment to be made is at. I've shown you what tool to use. So now we're gonna move the truck around to the back driveway. Sun's going down, it'll be dark soon. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and show you, I'm gonna pull it up to a white fence up the back driveway and make the adjustment so you can see in real time. Okay, got some racers over here. So coming in the driveway, I'm gonna hit you with the low beams And you can see uphill how frustrating that is for oncoming traffic. Now I'm gonna throw the fog lamps on just so you see that is not highway use legal. So let's get to adjusting these things. You'll notice that the left-hand driver's side has been lowered already, so keep your eye to the right as I'm lowering the passenger side beam as we speak. So you guys can go as in-depth as you want by like measuring off, putting a line on the fence or garage door, how many feet back versus how many feet off the ground the line is, to get your line of sight. Me, I just do it simple, and I call it the flash, no flash test. With the flash, no flash test, you just lower it 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, whatever you think's best, to see if the flashes that you get from oncoming traffic diminish.
Turn them off. Turn them off. Thank you.
I mean, y'all know what I'm saying? Damn, let the tailgate down by accident. Get down here where y'all can see me. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm freezing to death. It's 26 degrees out here. Camera's shaking. Got some amber backlight going on. So guys, hope this video helped y'all out. I am getting in the house. I will check y'all in the next video.